First double click and select this image. Hit open. Take the pen tool. Set here as path. Select these glasses like this. Now take path selection tool and select paths like this. Right click and choose to make selection. Set the feather radius to 3 pixels and press OK. Take a new layer. Double click on foreground color and pick the color which you want to apply for glasses. Now select a gradient tool. Go to basics on top. Select the second gradient. Now apply the gradient like this. Deselect the selection. Then go to blend modes and choose multiply. Now is the time to see the final result. Let's test it on another image. Go to file and choose open. Select this first image and hit open. Now take a pen tool and select these eyeglasses like this. Take path selection tool. Let's drag and select these two paths. Right click and choose to make selection. Set feather radius to 3 pixels. Press OK. Now take new layer. Pick a red color for eyeglasses. Take a gradient tool. Go to basics and choose the second gradient. Now apply the gradient like this. Deselect the selection. Then go to blend modes and choose multiply. Now is the time to see the final result. Let's test it on another image.